Being in my 40s now, I've actually moved away from focusing a lot on physical practices for taking care of my hormonal health, also for making sure that I stay healthy. So I've gradually moved on to more of energy practices for taking care of myself, because as a part of my learnings in yoga, Ayurveda, and macrobiotics, some part of traditional Chinese medicine that I got exposed to as a part of my previous studies, I realized that there's no bigger power than energy flowing in the body. So if you can get onto the practices that enhance or stimulate the energy systems of the body, that energy passes through each and every part of the body, starting from your physical structures to your cellular health, and delving deeper into the energy channels of the body. So, in traditional Chinese medicine, these energy channels are understood as chi. In Ayurveda and yoga, these energy channels are understood as nadi. So, if you can bring in those practices that directly work on those energy channels, automatic, it's like inside out approach. You're deeply working on the system that regulates everything in the body, and because of that regulation of the energy, the physical structures start to get benefited. The optimization of physical body starts to happen really quickly, versus the modern approach, which majorly focuses on the physical. Now when you work on the physical, not necessarily that you're working on your energy system, because physical may end up making you feeling more tired if your energy system is not up. So this is the fundamental difference between even exercising practices that we do in gymming versus yoga, or practices like tai chi, like qigong, like meridian yoga. All of these traditional practices work on your energy, and via that energy they work on the physical structures of the body. That is what keeps you ageless. That is what keeps your internal functioning optimal, and that internal functioning is what keeps you on the path of anti-aging. I mean, that has been my approach in my 40s, shifting my focus from the physical, the energy mechanism of the body. And this is what I teach in my hormonal yoga. So if you're looking for these deep rooted solutions for any of your hormonal conditions or hormonal concerns, feel free to reach out to me or DM me, and I can really help you deal with those concerns by stimulating your energy and gradually start to feel the changes in the physicality of your body.